I'm going to eat Snickers chocolate bars while talking GPL 2018 Season 2 Starcraft 2 tournament. These bars that I currently have are not the regular Snickers bars that you may see. These are just slightly bit smaller in size, in their length, but there's 4 of them. $50 grams each. The tournament that I'm talking about is held in Shanghai. It's an online and as well as an offline tournament. The prize pool is $12,015. It starts in 2018 May 7th and ends in 2018 May 12th. The patch is 4.3.0. A tournament in which 2 players win travel, accommodation and entrance fully paid to 2018 WCS Valencia. Format consists of an open qualifier followed by 16-player double elimination group stage, ending up in a 8-player single elimination final bracket. All of these players are Chinese players. Now it's time to eat Snickers. And that's how it looks like. It tastes awesome. And now the playoffs. First of all is the quarterfinals. There are 4 matches, semifinals 2 matches, and the finals 1 match. Quarterfinals and semifinals are best of 5, while the finals are best of 7. In the quarterfinals, Ayasono, the Zerg player, plays Terran time. 3-1 Ayasono wins and moves on. The second match, Tudming, the Zerg versus Firefly Protoss. 3-0 Tudming wins. Shana versus Cloudy. These are 2 Protoss players. 3-1 Cloudy wins and moves on. Yeshi Protoss versus XY Terran. 3-1 XY wins. In the semifinals we see Iasono versus Tudming and Cloudy versus XY. 3-0 in the first match, Iasono with his Zerg race wins over his competitor as well Zerg Tudming. Cloudy versus XY, the second match. XY, the Terran player, wins over Cloudy Protoss. Now the third match, the third place match. Tudming Zerg versus Cloudy Protoss. 3-1 Tudming wins and takes the third place. In the grand finals we see Iasono versus XY. 4-0 Iasono with his Zerg race wins over Terran XY. The first place goes to Zerg Iasono as well as 200 WCS circuit points. The second place, $2,371 and 140 WCS circuit points, goes to XY. The first place gets 4,743. The third place and $1,265 with 90 WCS circuit points go to Tudming, Zerg player. The fourth race with $790, 90 WCS circuit points, goes to Protoss player Cloudy. And you left the game.